Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be sharing how I clean my beauty blenders at home with Dove soap. So here you can see I have all of my dirty beauty blenders. So the first step I do is soak the beauty blenders in water. So for cleaning the beauty blenders, you can use any beauty blender cleanser, or if you don't have that, you can definitely use Dove. I have been using Dove for cleaning my beauty blenders, and to be very honest, it cleans my beauty blenders really nicely. Now gently rub the beauty blender on the soap. Be very gentle or you may damage the sponge. Gently massage the sponge under the water using your fingertips. Now rinse the sponge. Gently squeeze the sponge to remove the soap and makeup. And if there is some makeup left, then definitely go ahead and do the same process again and again. Now you can see my beauty blenders are all cleaned. Now I'm going to let them dry. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all.